Good afternoon. My name is Scott Rudd, the Chief Strategic Officer at T3Live.com. Welcome to today's recap and look ahead.
观众朋友们，大家好，我是王蒙宇，在纽约向您问好。今天是纽约时间8月31日，星期四。周四美股上涨，因为我们得到了一些非常好的经济数据，美国的首次失业人数下降，以及通货膨胀率的下降。虽然德州遭遇了100年一遇的洪水袭击，这也导致了石油价格的上升。因为我们知道德州是美国一个非常重要的能源的州，但是黄金的价格却在今天下降。有分析人士认为，市场对于特朗普总统以及朝鲜领导人金正恩之间的政治分歧，可能已经感觉到了疲倦。我们纵观美国市场，从开年到现在，科技股的上升也致使了美国3大股指的上升，尤其对于纳斯达克综合指数的上升有一个很大的帮助。从开年到现在，纳斯达克综合指数已经上涨了18%。那我们来纵观全球的市场，自从恐怖袭击以来欧洲的股市一再的下降，而我们纵观亚洲市场，亚洲的股市不断的上升。更多详细内容，请看 T3 首席分析师 Scott。Hi Scott, stock index were up today, and we see some good number from the economics data, like a low level for a jobless number. How do you think about this number influence our stock markets?
Well, it was a good number. Consumer sentiment was a good number. Housing numbers were okay, and the stock market had 3 up days. So it's good to be able to focus on good economic numbers versus North Korean missiles, or versus the floods in Houston, or versus Washington's debt ceiling. So all in all, I actually like to focus more even on the action of the market. So overall, it's good when good news gets treated as good news. And we saw it's actually start acting better, or the markets, with tech. Look at tech, the Qs. On Tuesday was the day the bulls won the battle. What do I mean by that? I mean, we were down big Tuesday morning on a lot of headlines, and then what did we do? The Qs and technology reclaimed this area. This was 141.50. That was your time to cover shorts, maybe get long. And then what happened? Look at this. It broke above a 4-day range, took back the 8 and 21 day, gave you upside yesterday and followed through today above the highs of the year. That is very healthy. Look how fast that 3-day move happened. This is the type of move that can make your year as a trader. The S&P cash is not quite there yet, but I have to believe that it follows along. So just don't have short in the brain because you think that there's going to be war with North Korea, or you think that the dams are going to break in Louisiana. Look at the action of the market. We talked again on Tuesday. Could the bears keep the market below 24.30? No. Then the bulls broke above this little range here, telling you to get long or cover, and now look. We're pretty much a stone throw away from the all-time high, so the market is acting very well. I'm glad if you were in town and you were watching all our videos, you're a member of Regular All Access, you probably had a very good 3 days out on vacation.
Yeah, this year so far, the blue chip stock up 11%. The good performance of tech stock, which also helped the Nasdaq up around 18%. Can you give us some name of the tech stock?
Sure. We've been long Apple all week. We've been talking about Apple all year, let alone since the last report. And look here, Apple is doing just fine at all-time highs. If you bought it after the binary event of earnings versus level, you could have been holding it, or you could have added when it broke out here into highs. So Apple looks really good. I wouldn't be going all in now at highs, but there have been ways to buy it. We talked about NVIDIA yesterday for a pattern to buy for a move back to all-time highs, and this I'm actually still long with Apple. It just broke out today. Maybe this is on its way to highs, so I still think there's movement there. We talk BABA every single day. BABA gave you a 4-day pullback. Okay, so you could have been a buyer, which we were buying it in Regular All Access 2 days ago or 3 days ago, into the 21-day. It's been holding the 21-day all year, so you don't always have to play a breakout. You could buy a pullback, and now if BABA could hold this a little bit going sideways, maybe there's another trade back to highs. So there's a lot going on in tech. There's a lot of ways to buy a dip. There's a lot of ways to play a breakout, and lots of ways to be involved if you're not just looking for a top.
Okay, thank you so much. That's very helpful.
I'm glad, and thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a great night. And tomorrow there are no videos. Have a safe and healthy and happy Labor Day weekend. Enjoy your family, friends, fitness, and start working on your financial skills, because there's a lot of money out there if you find the process.
以上就是今天的节目，感谢您的收看，祝您有一个美好的周末，我们下期再见。